Well guys, welcome back YouTubers. We're back with another video. Today we're gonna finally get to rebuilding the 6.4 liter. Finally got time. Slow down on work up here a little bit, so we took if you guys follow us, we took the block to the machine shop. Got it bored out 30 over. They had to resleeve the back cylinders. They got the new cam seals all pressed in, ready to go. So I'm gonna get it out and pretty much wash it all out. Yeah, it's kind of definitely needs to be washed out, so we're gonna go ahead and wash it up and start getting into it. Make sure you guys follow us for the build. We're gonna do as much footage as we can and put out as much info as we can on these videos and on these shorts. So give us a thumbs up, thumbs down. Hopefully this video helps you guys out, and let's get after it.